Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. A timeless mix, your classic French house with Toile de Jouy magic. Ever dream of that perfect French country house that feels both elegant and completely livable? You know the one: crumbling stone facades, sun-drenched rooms, and a sense of history in every corner. Well, let's talk about a secret weapon to get that look: wallpaper. And not just any wallpaper, but the iconic Toile de Jouy in a classic navy on white. It's a pattern that tells a story literally, with its intricate scenes of pastoral life, romantic vignettes, and delicate flora. It might seem formal at first glance, but used thoughtfully, it creates the most inviting classic atmosphere. Think of it as the anchor for a home that's sophisticated yet utterly cozy. Ready to see how it can work from the garden gate to the bathroom? Let's take a little tour. Picture this first: a soft cream-colored stone house with sage green shutters. The climbing roses are in full blush pink bloom, framing a navy-painted front door. That's your first hint of the theme within. Out here, the toile is more of a feeling. It's in the romantic, slightly wild cottage garden with its lavender hedges and boxwood topiaries, echoing the patterned scenes. Imagine sipping coffee at a wrought iron bistro set on a gravel terrace, surrounded by the very flora depicted on your future walls. The key is letting the garden feel lush and lived in, a perfect real-life companion to the wallpaper's idealized prints. It sets the stage for the classic storybook charm waiting inside. Step through that navy door, and welcome to the first act. A hallway with wainscoting painted in a warm, creamy white is the ideal canvas. Let's apply the toile above the chair rail, allowing the navy scenes to unfold like pages from a book. Keep the floor natural wide plank oak or stone tiles to ground the pattern. A simple crystal chandelier or a lantern with candle-style bulbs casts a soft glow on the pattern at night. For furniture, a rustic wooden console table with a distressed finish and a large, gilded mirror above it feels just right. Toss your keys in a ceramic bowl and maybe add a topiary in a terracotta pot. You want it to feel collected, not precious. In here, we balance the toile's formality with laid-back comfort. Maybe just feature it on one focal wall, behind the fireplace is a dream, or in paneled alcoves. Pair it with a large, sink-into-it sofa in a neutral linen or soft camel velvet. Pile on the texture with a chunky knit throw and lots of linen pillows, some in solid navy or creamy stripes to break up the pattern. Furniture should be a mix. A Louis XV-style armchair in a solid fabric next to a worn leather club chair. The magic is in the blend of the refined pattern with rustic, earthy elements, like a rough-hewn wood coffee basket and a well-worn Persian rug in faded reds and blues. This is where toile becomes utterly dreamy. Covering all four walls in a bedroom can feel incredibly cocooning and romantic, especially with high ceilings. To keep it from feeling too overwhelming, dress your bed in crisp, white linen sheets and a plain white matelass coverlet. A carved, painted wooden bed frame in white or pale gray lets the wallpaper be the star. Soften the windows with simple, flowing white curtains. Your lighting should be gentle. Think crystal bedside lamps or ceramic vases with fabric shades. The goal is a serene storybook retreat that feels like a permanent vacation in the French countryside. For a dining space, Toile creates an immersive, conversational backdrop for long dinners. Using it in a paneled dining room is pure classic French style. Pair it with a substantial reclaimed wood farm table that has history and scratches to tell its own tales. Contrast that with elegant, upholstered armchairs in a solid, durable navy or cream fabric. Overhead, a dramatic black iron chandelier with dripping crystals adds the right touch of grandeur. Keep your table setting simple. White pottery, woven chargers, and maybe just a low bowl of garden herbs as a centerpiece. It's all about mixing the rustic and the refined for gatherings that feel special, but never stiff. Yes, you can use toile in the kitchen. The trick is in doses. Consider using it as a backsplash behind your open shelves, or even on the ceiling for a delightful surprise. Cabinetry should be classic. Think shaker style in off-white or pale gray with polished nickel hardware. Butcher block countertops and a farmhouse sink keep it practical and warm. Open shelves display your white dishes and copper pots, which reflect the warm metals in the toile's scenes. It's a space that feels curated and cheerful, where the pattern adds personality without getting splattered with sauce. It ties the kitchen beautifully to the rest of the home's story. In a bathroom, Toile brings instant vintage charm. For a powder room, go bold and paper every wall. It's a small space that can handle the drama. In a main bath, use it above beadboard paneling painted in that same creamy white. A freestanding clawfoot tub, especially one with a classic champagne finish, is the perfect companion piece. Add a wooden ladder for towels and a simple marble-topped vanity. Accessories in pewter, porcelain, and fresh white towels keep the look clean and fresh. It transforms a utilitarian space into a quiet, picturesque haven, making your morning routine feel just a little more special.